You know it.
Day what? We're not in Tokyo.
But we're in
Dudley.
right.
New vlog today. Where are we going?
We're going to the MotoGP
So we're just starting off in the
barbershop.
in a different type of surgery. Today I'm the surgeon. We're getting ready to go. What do we think, guys?
Took us a hill. Yeah. Trying to put the bracelets on.
We got two on.
My one's out
They
here.
made it very hard. Go down. Ah!
So we're in the back of the car now. Mama's head's down, talking about
Why is it so hard?
why is it so hard?
Why is
Whoa,
it don't
That's
fit?
it right there. The man's looking in the mirror like, bro, these men are moving crazy.
Ah!
All these to tip them off tomorrow.
Yeah, you ain't taking these off, fam.
Why did you do the other so easy, man?
I
Why are you
didn't.
struggling so much?
Okay.
Come on, man.
Yay! That looks Indian as hell.
That deserves.
That looks
Ah.
Indian.
1 hour 20.
12:11 is the destination time.
This one's looser than the other one.
So, we hopped out the first car to be picked up by another car.
Yeah, that's a mad thing.
Okay.
And,
You have to like put it on and always visible. Okay, important.
put it on. We're walking in now. So what you got handy, fam? Let's get you on the grid.
You prefer that? Perfect.
To the way it's
That match
Yeah,
with
yeah.
your style. I
New
think
hat.
so.
Thank you very much.
So can I have that one?
Yeah.
That's it.
Thank you very much.
Got a new hat.
See you in a bit.
What does it say?
Take some pics.
What's it say?
What does it say? There is no faster. What is it like broken English?
No, but I suppose it's Spanish, isn't it? Out here like that. So they've asked us to be in a music video, basically. There's a lot going on here. The sun is shining. I don't actually know what we're. It's just all the light.
I was thinking my head
It
looks
looks
a bit
like
light, fam.
there's
I'm
bare
thinking, yo,
music. What are we on?
What are you saying, bro? Ski bless.
What are we on, yeah? You wanted your haircut? Look where we're at, though. What? You can't. Where we
We're
going?
stepping on the grid right now.
You wanna be in the vlog?
Oh,
You wanna say hello to the vlog?
hello.
Say hola. This thing hard, man. I don't actually know what I'm looking at. God knows what's going on here. We just keep walking
Yeah,
at it.
mate. He's got a lovely smile. Man. Camera on me like I know what's going on.
Everyone's waiting for Ben's review, but of what? Like, what is happening? Oh, if I hold it sideways, it's way quicker.
Oh.
Yo. Don't actually know what's going on.
I have no
Just
idea.
happy to be here.
I don't think I should award it because it looks like I'm
Yeah,
part of the
he
team with
looks
the
like he's
rugby.
about to start fixing.
I look like the rugby team.
So Ben hit the caddy. He looks like he's working here, fam. He looks like he's one of the mechanics. God save us! King! Hip hip! Hooray! That actually, we should have took the earplugs, man. Should have took the earplugs. little warm up lap. Yeah, I just pulled my phone out to capture that, and I missed every single one. I did. It's bussing though, bussing. But oh, so it's kind of hard now. All these people have
I can still
come
hear
to take
the bikes
photos.
now.
All these people have come to take photos of me.
So let's
I'm on 2%, man, so this vlog might end sadly. But we're walking through. Oh, I hope they got a phone charger in here, fam. I'm on 1%. It's getting a bit too much, man. I have to get these things. Yo, so there's been a little break in the vlog because my phone died, my man's phone died, so we actually had to talk to each other for a bit.
It's been painful.
It's been sad. But did we show the camera what you got? Take some pictures.
Your first cup will give you.
We'll
give you good luck, man. After the video, we'll wait for it. You will check the flag.
I did. Oh, wave the flag.
But make sure, man, look out for me, man. My number's 99. What's SP's boys on?
Don't know my thing. Let's go
what are
around
you
the
doing
block,
now, man?
licking sales.
It's more like it. This is more like it, baby. Where we going on? Red interior leather.
It's been fun.
It's been a great day.
Never done anything
We
like
haven't
this.
really showed you much.
We haven't.
Set man.
Setman didn't charge that phone because even he didn't charge his phone. We didn't even get pictures of
I was
him
only
waving.
waving the flag.
Well, actually, the last thing I got was you waving the flag, so it's kind of the end of the race anyway.
Exactly.
Yeah, see you in the next one, guys.